Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a questions and answer for Windows 7 end of support. A lot of questions, a lot of people still not really grasping exactly what's happening and what it all means. So in 2 months from now, January 14th, 2020, the last Patch Tuesday update will be available for Windows 7. That means starting from there, Windows 7 is still going to continue working. It's just that it's not going to be patched. Now, there's a lot of people that are saying, well, you can pay for extended updates, and no, regular consumers cannot. And that is very clear. If you have Windows 7, you're a consumer at home with your little PC. No, you cannot pay for extended support. It is only available for enterprise, and that's it. Now, even if it would be available, it's totally useless. If you've got to pay to extended support, might as well move on to Windows 10. Now, when this happens, we will probably be in the November 2019 update for the regular folks, for everybody out there. And the November 2019 update promises to be a very good update in that instead of focusing on features, it focuses on making Windows better. Simply more stable, and more, interesting to use. A lot of people will probably tell you, I hear that all the time. Oh, well, Windows 10, apparently that's no good. Well, don't listen to that, because Windows 10 is actually a very good operating system. It is as stable as Windows 7. The only thing that drives people crazy, of course, is the fact that there are more updates in it than Windows 7 is. Once again, Windows 10 is a finished Windows. It's a evolving Windows. It's a different way of thinking. So when I see people saying, well, when will it be finished? It's an evolving system. It's like, other operating systems out there that instead of, in reality, think about it as instead of changing the number, the version number, Windows 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you're actually simply staying at 10 and adding the features and modifying the system as we go for new technologies and, try to make things a little better on the way. That's it. But it is a finished operating system. Every version you get, like the November 2019 version coming up tomorrow, you are in a finished Windows 10 with those features. Now, once again, for the upgrade, it's a little complex for people that say, well, can I have a free upgrade to Windows 10? If you have a original Windows 7 key, yes, you can. You use the upgrade process on the Windows page, and you can upgrade with that key. Yes, you can clean install. A lot of people saying, hey, can I download Windows 10? Where do I download it? Well, simply download it from the Microsoft Windows 10 page, and you can actually clean install. Once again, you got the original product key of Windows 7. Your upgrade to Windows 10 will probably be free. The exception to the rule is that if you have OEM keys, an HP computer, a Toshiba, a Dell, some of them don't work, unfortunately. So if that happens, then you are going to have to pay to upgrade to Windows 10. For the most part, if your PC is a PC that came with Windows 7, it, for the most part, probably upgrades fine to Windows 10. If it's a Windows XP PC that you move to Windows 7, that's a little more complicated. It's not sure that your system is going to be upgradable. And even in Windows 7 computers, there are a few computers out there that probably have some hardware that might not be compatible. So this is going to be, a hit or miss situation. But, last but not least, if you are Windows 7 and will continue using it, just make sure that, you upgrade your browser correctly. Just make sure that you use, an antivirus that works, and be very careful what you do on the web. For a certain time, that will be possible. But remember that as time will go by, you will have a system that is more and more vulnerable to attacks and to viruses because of security flaws that would not be fixed. And if it's not connected to the internet, no worries. You can continue using it. It doesn't matter. So, of course, we'll try to upgrade with more questions and answer as we get closer and get more and more people kind of panicking a little bit, saying, well, what am I going to do exactly? So we'll try to answer the questions. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.